When you are running a business, creating good copy quickly can make a huge difference. That is where tools like Jasper and Copy.ai come in. Both promise to help you write faster, sound professional, and stay consistent with your brand. But when it comes to picking the better one for your business, the choice really depends on what kind of content you need and how you plan to use it. Jasper is designed for teams and businesses that need serious content production. It shines with long-form writing like blog posts, detailed emails, landing pages, and marketing campaigns. The interface feels like a full creative studio where you can outline, write, and refine in one place. It also includes features like brand voice customization and built-in SEO support to help your content rank better on search engines. You can train it on your tone, upload guidelines, and collaborate with your team all inside the same workspace. The quality of its long-form output is consistent and natural, which makes it a great fit for content-heavy businesses or agencies that write at scale. Copy.ai, on the other hand, is more about quick and easy copy. Think product descriptions, social media captions, email intros, and short ads. The setup is simple. Choose a template, enter your topic, and get results in seconds. It is fast, fun to use, and great if you just want ideas without much setup. Copy.ai also offers a strong free plan, making it a good option for startups, freelancers, or small teams testing the waters. The tone of its writing tends to be more casual and engaging, which is perfect for marketing content that needs personality rather than long explanations. To sum it up, Jasper is best for content teams, agencies, and marketers who produce long-form content and want deeper brand control. Copy.ai is ideal for small businesses and solo creators who want quick, effective copy without a big learning curve. Both are solid, but they serve slightly different purposes. If you want a privacy-focused, full-scale writing assistant that feels like part of your team, Jasper is worth the higher cost. If you want a simple, fun tool that sparks creativity and helps you write faster on a smaller budget, Copy.ai will do the job beautifully. Either way, using AI to support your content strategy can help your business stay consistent, creative, and ahead of the curve.